Are you looking for a proven basement waterproofing solution that works for almost any foundation? There's simply no better choice than the WaterShield drain board system, made exclusively for Nash Distribution by Hydra Channel. We know foundations are most susceptible to leaking from around the perimeter. That's where WaterShield comes in. WaterShield provides an unobstructed path to any beside-the-footing basement drain system, quickly channeling water to the sump pump. WaterShield's built-in contact points allow re-poured concrete to bear against both the wall and the footing for unsurpassed structural integrity. Joiner clips cap off the system to provide added protection against moisture, odors, and radon gas. WaterShield's bright white design creates a seamless look with basement wall panels and vapor barriers for a clean, professional installation. Make wet, nasty basements a thing of the past with the WaterShield drain board system. Learn more about the WaterShield system and contact us today.